everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy on Poshmark. If you want to buy items on Poshmark, then you can follow these quick simple steps. Start off by open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in poshmark.com and press enter on your keyboard. After you are logged into your Poshmark account, to be able to buy an item on Poshmark, first make sure that you've created an account. If you already have, simply log into your account if necessary, and then once you're logged in, you can start browsing by choosing the categories displayed at the top of the screen, or you can also enter the keywords for the product you'd like to shop in the text box at the top of the screen. After you filter search for the product, you can now go ahead and pick the one that you'd like to purchase and then simply give it a click. So now after you click on the item, you'll be able to view all of the details including the description, price, conditions, and seller's information on the next page. Now, if you see this make an offer button, you can use this option to negotiate the price with the seller, and if the seller accepts your offer, the item will be added to your cart. If you don't want to make any kind of an offer and get straight to the buying process, click on buy now and it'll then take you to the checkout page. In the checkout page, you can go ahead and connect with your PayPal account or buy the item with GPay by choosing one of the options at the top. If you want to continue checking out with another payment method, then you can go ahead and enter your shipping address in the text boxes. Choose your country, enter your full name, and type in your street address, the name of your city, select your state, enter the zip code, and click next. Now, confirm your shipping address and then click on the information that is correct and click next. Now you can enter your payment information. Select whether you'd like to choose a credit or a debit card to continue your payment. You can also choose PayPal, GPay, and Affirm. Select one of the options and follow through the prompts. In my case, I'm going to choose the credit or debit card option. So if you've chosen the same, go ahead and enter your card number, the expiration date for the card, CVV code, and click next. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to complete your purchase for the chosen item on Poshmark. Review your order including the item you're purchasing, the total cost, and the shipping address. Make sure to check if everything's correct before confirming your purchase, and you'll be able to buy an item on Poshmark. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.